Fuck.
That's how
The first.
you never should leave your jacket
Yeah.
behind, man.
The first time I leave my jacket, it's a thunderstorm. We're waiting for the guide to do something, and then we want to leave. But this guy has a problem. His bike is not running. What are you gonna do about it?
Wait and see.
Wait and see. Yeah, that's a good option. What are you gonna do?
Wait and see, man.
Wait and see. That's the best option.
Veremos.
Waiting for this guy to come up with a solution for that guy.
We will all enter Myanmar without a guide.
Yeah, that's yeah. So this is a new version of crossing Myanmar. This is how to cross Myanmar without a guide. Finally cleared all the details for the crossing. We're getting to the first city. I'll take some cash, and then we're ready to go. And this is the solution for Pierre. Man. It's gonna be towed like this to Tamu, and then from there they're gonna try and get a truck for him to put the bike on and get it to Mandalay, and from there it's gonna try and get it fixed. Otherwise it's a big problem. Oh yeah. Okay, I think we're ready to leave, and yeah, we're leaving Pierre over there. These guys are ready. And this is Tamu, the first small little town. It's about 1 or 2 kilometers from the border. And from here we will ride 274 kilometers now to I can't remember the name, but yeah, in Myanmar, yes. How's it going, Pierre? What happened here?
Yeah, but what can you do?
Fudge. That's a lightning storm over there, and I put all my clothes in the truck. Okay. Then I have wallet and passport here. And now it's raining a little bit. Wow.
Give me your jacket, your passport and everything.
Oh yeah.
It's here. What is Carlos doing, man?
I don't know what Carlos is doing, man.
Fuck, rain.
This wasn't really the best. Wow. Not the best option to leave my jacket.
Never should leave your jacket
Yeah.
behind, man.
The first time I leave my jacket, it's a thunderstorm. So this might be how not to cross Myanmar. But morning. Day 2 of the Myanmar crossing from the town which I don't remember the name of, but okay, about yesterday, first day, around 270 kilometers. It was kind of a funny day because one of our guys that were supposed to be in the group, well, his bike is broken down, so they have to solve that. One temporary solution they tried was to tow him to this first stop, and yeah, it worked about halfway, and then he fell and busted his knee open. And also there was like a huge storm. We left all of our luggage in the car, and they were of course not near because they were handling this guy with hospital and shit. So yesterday was just pure chaos. Hopefully today's gonna be better. We have around 230 to make today to Bagan. Yeah. Do you feel the stretches where it feels like going through an oven? An oven. Yes, had a quick photo shoot here with the what this is. Do you know what this is?
Pagoda.
Pagoda, a temple. With this temple.
I don't know. I think that this shape, they call it pagoda, but it can be huge buildings inside.
Pagoda is food as well. Let's get back on the road. Yeah, so we just stopped in this little shop here, had a drink, some cold coffee as well, and I also realized how much I'm burning my arms without feeling it, because I'm riding like this. I don't feel it due to the wind.
To Bagan.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. How's it?
Really good. Yes.
Thank you. We are facing some difficulties. I think, gonna try and escape from the tour. I'm right now in the hotel in Bagan. All of the other people left. I'm not gonna arrive to the place where we're supposed to go tonight, and because this is just bullshit. It's like you pay for a guide, you get no paperwork, and they're not even with you. So it's all bullshit. Okay, finally I'm on the way. Whew. It's 4:50 to do today, so as I told you, I don't think I will make it, which means I will stay in a different city, which is not included in the tour. So, my hotel room in I don't even know where. Wait. I had 200 kilometers left yesterday to go to the place where we were supposed to go, but it was getting dark and I felt sick. I got a very bad fever, so I just decided to stay here. So I'm 1 day behind schedule now, and I have no idea what's gonna happen. 522 kilometers, and it's supposed to be like through roads like this in the mountains with potholes and bad roads, essentially. Anyways, leaving this little gem. It's a beautiful little village. Had a nice view from the top as well. So I think I have an idea, a plan. I'm now trying to go all the way to the same places my friends are going, which is obviously too far, but I will arrive very late. But fuck that, I'm gonna just do that and then leave like ridiculously early and go to the border before them and try to cross and see how it goes. Okay, sorry for that. Yesterday my battery died, so I made it all the 525 kilometers. And of course I forgot to charge all my batteries as usual. I guess, yeah, the last thing you saw was me leaving the hotel in the morning on the way to the border. That was one of the most beautiful rides I've ever had. But yeah, I crossed into Thailand completely without the guides and without Carlos and Juan. Okay, look at this. You get no proper documents about what you are doing, like the service that you're buying. The few documents you get, they are in Burmese, so you can't read them. And like they claim that you need that there's a lot of documents and permissions that they like provide you with that you need. For example, hotel and tourism department is one of the like permissions that you need and that you will get through them and everything. But you see, after these 3 days, when I left them, I stayed in a different hotel. It was no problem, and I even asked the manager of that hotel, and she didn't know anything about that. That's quite funny. Yeah, we asked to have them specify like what it is that we're actually paying for, an invoice basically. And first of all, all our separate invoices had the same invoice number, and also they failed completely to specify. It was just a piece of paper, and it said crossing basically. I can't remember exactly what it said, but it said crossing and then the total amount. And then the most funny part, when I get to the border, it seemed like a completely normal thing for them, like to have someone, a tourist, come up with their own vehicle, because they just asked me, okay, for how many days have you been in Myanmar with your vehicle? And I was like, okay, like 5 days or something. It was like a fixed amount per day that you have to pay, like a fee for bringing your bike in Myanmar. I think that's the only like thing they have, like you have to pay a fee. And this guide thing is kind of a scam or something, I don't know. It was not even a lot of money. I think I had like some pocket change to cover it all. And yeah, so I just crossed into Thailand, and it was no issues at all. They literally didn't ask any questions about a guide or anything at the border. Like, it seemed like a routine for them. Like, they knew okay, this guy has to pay a fee every day. That's it. And they just asked me how many days, and that was it. That's the story. Unfortunately, I couldn't show you because I'm the worst at keeping batteries and shit charged. Maybe I paid the guide. Maybe I didn't.